You already know the deal. Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl Chiney K, and welcome to another episode of the On My Mind series. I'm back here in Jamaica again. I just needed to clear my mind. And it's less than 4 weeks to go in the US elections. Donald Trump versus Hillary Clinton. Since I'm here in Jamaica, I wanted to talk to some Jamaicans to find out if they had a chance to vote in the US elections, who would they vote for and why? Personally, at this point, I'm an undecided voter. Why? Because all I can hear is negative comments towards each candidate and less about what each planned to do to better America. So let's see if my fellow Jamaicans could vote. Who would they vote for and why? Let's go.
Well, you don't know Donald Trump, because you don't know it changes there. Don't, so it's straight Donald Trump. Don't. Up.
I'm going to vote for Hillary, because we can't bother with Trumps. Same thing and my thing. When I'm on the seat. So I'm rather go with the woman more than the little skettle.
I hate them both, but I don't know, it's like choosing between the devil and the deep sea. But I guess I'll get drunk and wake up next day and, I don't know, wherever my finger goes, that's my vote.
I prefer to vote for Hillary. Why? Because Donald Trump is a racist. I'm not like no black people. You get what I say? So Hillary straight, yeah. She would have voted for anybody there in America. And he want to deport the Jamaican them up there. So Hillary straight. I don't like Donald Trump and he don't like me neither.
I'd vote for Hillary. Would not vote for Donald. Why? Donald doesn't seem to have a grasp of the issues. He can't tell you exactly how he's going to accomplish anything or exactly what changes he would make to whatever is there right now.
I really wouldn't vote for either if I was really given the choice, because really and truly you're picking the lesser of two evils. And if you're doing that, you just go with Hillary. You really think Donald Trump can run a country when he can't even run his companies? All of them going bankrupt?
Prefer the woman. I don't like Trump.
I could never vote for Trump. He's a big fraud.
Hillary Clinton, please. Why not the other? She's the best. No, not that man. He don't love woman. No, him over on the other side.
Hillary. It should be the first, and Donald Trump look like he's a chucky bully.
Hillary Clinton, because in terms of the whole issue with Donald Trump disrespecting women, I wouldn't vote for him as a woman because, truth and in fact, he doesn't have any respect. And Hillary, based on her debates, you see where she have a lot of vision for the country.
Hillary, because she knows if you run a government. Donald Trump don't know nothing about running government, right? And I believe Donald Trump wants to turn America into a dictatorship.
For sure, Hillary Clinton. Pretty much because we look at the other options. So it's basically the lesser of two evils.
Hillary Clinton, she have a better policy. I'm not a Trump supporter.
I would put my ex if I had the privilege of voting for no other one than Hillary Clinton. Hillary Clinton has a vast number of experience. She is a true leader and you can hear it coming out of her. I think Donald Trump has too many issues. He seems to be very vindictive.
You know what? It's really interesting that most people that I spoke to say, well, I don't want to go on camera later because I don't want Trump's take on my visa. Or, I just come from foreign, I don't want them take on my visa because I want to go back. Like, seriously, people, I don't think by appearing on my show, foreign not going to take away your visa. Relax, you'll still be able to go to the United States. But either way, it's pretty interesting what the Jamaican people had to say about who they would vote for. You already know the deal. Comment to join the conversation. Don't forget to tell a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace!